What's up, everybody? This is Omega from Money Mondays. So today's video, we are doing a stock pick update. On the 22nd of September, I released a video on mobile telephone network, which is MTN. So let's get right into it. I'll do my best to be brief. So yeah, you can see the share price on the 22nd of September was 130 rands a share. Nice rounded number. And today, on the 6th of October 2021, the share price is 141 rands 70 cents a share. So let's just say 140 rands. So that's about a 10-11 rand increase. Not bad. That puts it, I think, at about 7% in a matter of 2 weeks. So that's not bad at all. The question that a lot of members have been asking me is this a good time to sell? Should they take their 10 rand profits and run? In my opinion, it depends. It depends on what you believe is right for your portfolio, firstly. And then secondly, it depends on how you see the future of MTN going forward looking like. I would say if you want to just take your money and cash out, then definitely this is a good time. You've made a 7% return, better than the bank. So you can take your 10 rands and run, or your 7% and run, or you can hold on for the next 3 to 4 years. In my opinion, this particular stock in the next 4 to 5 years will be trading a lot higher than 141 rands. I see MTN hitting 190 rands in the next 4 years. Reason being, they've planted the right foundation across Africa, and the next 1 billion users of the internet, majority of them will come from Africa, and MTN is in a very good position to take advantage of that. So that's my thesis on MTN. So definitely you can hold for the long term, but you got to be patient, and the stock will make you some decent returns. It has been at those prices historically, and then had some challenges in certain parts of Africa, particularly Nigeria. Let's just switch to a 1 week view, I think, so you can just sort of see the history of the stock. So here we are to today. You can see historically MTN has hit prices like 233 rands a share back in 2015, and the last time they were at this price was back in 2018. So not bad. They hit their 2018 high. Definitely the price could come up to 190 rands in the next 2 to 3 years, because they've got the right foundation. They've invested in the right infrastructure, the right market, and they're in a good position to take advantage of all of that. So that's my updates on MTN. Should you hold? Should you sell? If you want to take your profit, 7%, definitely you can sell, or you can hold for 3 more years and wait till we get to 190 rands a share. But be aware that there will be up and there will be ups and there will be downs. Returns aren't always in one direction, so just be aware of that. Another stock pick that I did not long ago was Purple Group. I think this was quite an obvious one. The theme of retail investors, so non-professional investors getting into the market, has been one that's just been booming globally. So South Africa, being the sort of country we are, there was going to be somebody who enters that space and dominates. And so Purple Group has been that company for the last 4, 5, 6 years now. And so that's been pretty good. The last update I did on them was on the 20th of April, so around about here. And the share price was at 133 cents a share, so 1 rand 33. And the initial video I had released was around about the 9th of April, and the share price there was just a little below a rand. So if you look at it from there, from the 9th of April, this share price has doubled in value, so that's 100% return. And so if you were one of our members who got in on this recommendation, you've made 100% return on that investment, which is not bad. Is this a good time to sell? Definitely, I'd say take your profits right now. The share price is driven by the story of Easy Equities. So Easy Equities is a subsidiary of Purple Group, and it's the one that has the most impact on Purple Group's balance sheet and Purple Group's income. So the story is very simple. Easy Equities back in April had about 500 to 600,000 users. They're now at 1 million, and obviously that pushed the share price to this level. Like I said in the last update, the moment they hit 1 million, be prepared. This share is going to hit R2 a share. But the narrative is going to slow down for probably the next 6, 7, 8 months until they hit another milestone like 2 million users or 3 million users. So until then, it's a good time to sort of just unwind a little bit, take some profits, but still hold your initial investment, because the share price will probably increase a little bit more in the future to come. Purple Group is a good company, and Easy Equities is definitely in a ripe position in South Africa. I said last time in the update that the potential markets for people interested in investing is about 5, 6, 7 million, and Easy Equities in South Africa is probably going to have 3 million of those people. They're going to dominate that space. So yeah, they're going to be making a lot of money in fees and other forms of income. They've been doing customer surveys on securities lending, which is basically borrowing money while using your shares as collateral. So using your shares as a guarantee that you're gonna return the funds. So if you fail to return the funds, basically your shares are confiscated. I think that's going to be a good opportunity for a lot of people to invest, and then at the same time be able to borrow money and use that money in things that are actually going to grow their income even more. So Easy Equities will probably be earning some good interest from that, and South Africans, we love credit, so I think it's a good model to go for the South African markets, and it should work out pretty well for them. So yeah, should you sell, should you hold, or should you buy more? I'd say sell, take some profits, and then hold at the level that you initially entered in. That's where you can still catch that growth, but you don't lose any of the profits that you've made in the last couple of months. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope everybody is well. Enjoy your coming weekend, and if you want more videos like this and you're watching on YouTube, then subscribe. If you're watching from Instagram TV, then follow the profile, the Money Mondays page. I do videos once a week on Wednesdays, and yeah, I'm gonna be more consistent these coming weeks. So yeah, definitely subscribe and follow. And if you have any questions, comment below, shoot a direct message, a DM, or email or WhatsApp, or whatever you want, and I'll gladly answer any questions. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye.